Did you know that the foods we eat can have a significant impact on our respiratory health? Yes, you heard it right. The food on your plate can either be the safest and most powerful form of medicine or the slowest form of poison. So, if you've been feeling like a walking mucus factory, it's time to take a closer look at your diet. Today, we're going to explore 10 amazing foods that can help cleanse and detox mucus from your lungs. These foods are not only delicious, but also pack a punch when it comes to your respiratory health. So, are you ready to breathe easier and feel better? Let's get started. Honey, the sweet elixir. First up on our list is honey. This golden sweet liquid is not just a treat for your taste buds, but it's also a boon for your respiratory health. Honey is a natural sweetener that can be used in a variety of dishes, from your morning toast to your evening tea. But beyond its undeniable deliciousness, honey has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and recent research suggests that it might offer respiratory health benefits. Honey is packed with antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect your body from damage by harmful free radicals. Antioxidants are thought to play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and arthritis, and they might also be beneficial for respiratory health. In addition to its antioxidant properties, honey has also been shown to soothe a sore throat and reduce coughing. One study found that honey was even more effective at reducing nighttime coughs than common cough suppressants. Other research shows that honey can improve quality of sleep, which is often disrupted by persistent coughing. While honey is high in calories and sugar, it can still be part of a healthy diet. Consuming small amounts of honey, especially in place of refined sugars or high fructose corn syrup, can have health benefits. Remember though that, like all sweeteners, honey should be used in moderation. Chili peppers, spice up your life. Next up, we have chili peppers. These spicy little gems are known to clear up the sinuses and help break up mucus in the lungs. Capsaicin, the compound that gives chili peppers their kick, can help to stimulate secretions in the nasal passages, helping to clear them out. Interestingly, a specific protein found in chili peppers, called capsaicin, may have a role in fighting respiratory infections. Capsaicin has been found to have antimicrobial properties, which can help to fight off the harmful bacteria that can lead to respiratory infections. In addition to their potential respiratory benefits, chili peppers are a great way to spice up your meals. They can be used in everything, from pasta dishes to stews and salads. Just be careful when you're cooking with them. A little goes a long way. Salmon. Dive into omega-3s. Salmon, a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, is a fantastic addition to any diet. This fatty fish is a staple in many diets around the world, particularly those in the Mediterranean, where fish is a dietary staple. Not only is it a versatile fish that can be prepared in many ways, but it also has numerous health benefits. One of the primary benefits of salmon is its high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are crucial for the body to function correctly. They aid in the development of the brain and the health of our cells. But one of the most significant benefits of omega-3 is its impact on our respiratory system. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is the body's natural response to protect itself against harm. However, in some instances, this inflammation can become chronic, leading to various health issues, including asthma and other respiratory problems. Salmon is also a great source of protein, which is necessary for repairing body tissues and maintaining a healthy immune system. It's also high in vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, vitamin B12, and selenium, which are necessary for bodily functions such as creating red blood cells and protecting the body from damage. While fresh salmon is a great source of these nutrients, canned salmon can also provide the same benefits and is a cheaper and longer-lasting alternative. Ginger, a natural lung cleanser. Ginger is not just a spice that adds a kick to your food, it's a spice that can significantly benefit your health. Its spicy and aromatic flavor can add a boost to any dish, but its health benefits are what make this spice a necessary addition to your diet. Ginger has been used for centuries as a medicinal plant. Its anti-inflammatory properties are well known and can help soothe inflamed airways in the lungs. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with respiratory conditions like asthma or bronchitis. Moreover, ginger has been found to have other health benefits, including antimicrobial properties. This means it can help the body fight off harmful bacteria and viruses, which is essential for individuals with lung conditions. Ginger can also help mucus move out of your lungs due to its expectorant properties. This can be particularly helpful if you're feeling congested or experiencing difficulty breathing. In addition to its potential lung health benefits, ginger is also known for its potential anti-inflammatory properties. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with conditions such as arthritis or fibromyalgia. In conclusion, the consumption of ginger can lead to several health benefits, including the potential to reduce inflammation and the risk of disease. Blackberries, small but mighty. The blackberry is a small fruit that packs a big punch. Not only is it delicious and full of flavor, but it also has numerous health benefits. The high levels of flavonoids and polyphenols in the blackberries have antioxidant properties that can help to protect the body's cells from damage. These compounds also have antibacterial and antiviral effects, which can be beneficial for respiratory health. They can help to reduce inflammation in the body and boost the immune system, making them a great addition to any diet. Kale. The green machine kale is a superfood that is known for its high levels of fiber, vitamin C, and beta-carotene. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good respiratory health. The fiber in kale aids in digestion and helps to prevent constipation, while the vitamin C and beta-carotene boost the immune system and protect the body from harmful free radicals. Kale also contains powerful antioxidants that can help to reduce inflammation in the body, further boosting its immune-boosting properties. Kale is not only delicious, but also very healthy, making it a great addition to any diet. Bell peppers. The colorful addition bell peppers or capsicum are not only a delicious addition to any meal, but they are also very beneficial for your health. They are loaded with vitamin C, which is known for its immune-boosting properties. They are also a good source of beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good respiratory health, as it helps to keep the lungs and the lining of the respiratory tract healthy. The high levels of antioxidants in bell peppers can also help to reduce inflammation in the body, further boosting its respiratory benefits. Carrots. See the benefits. Carrots, a staple in many of our kitchens, are more than just a tasty vegetable. They are a powerhouse of nutrients, providing a wealth of health benefits. Known for their high content of vitamin C, carrots are a great way to boost your immune system. This is particularly beneficial for your lungs, which are often exposed to harmful particles and bacteria. Carrots are also high in vitamin A, which is known for its role in maintaining the health of our lungs. This vitamin is essential for the growth and repair of lung tissue. It also helps to reduce inflammation in the lungs and can even help to prevent lung diseases such as COPD and asthma. Carrots are a great source of antioxidants, which can help to reduce the risk of lung cancer. The antioxidant beta-carotene, which is found in abundance in carrots, is converted into vitamin A in the body. This process is thought to be beneficial in maintaining lung health. Pumpkin seeds, a crunchy snack with a punch. Pumpkin seeds are a tasty and nutritious snack that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. They are packed with nutrients and have a range of health benefits. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of magnesium, which is known to reduce inflammation in the body. This can be particularly beneficial for people with respiratory issues, as inflammation in the lungs can lead to conditions such as asthma and COPD. Pumpkin seeds are also a great source of antioxidants. These antioxidants can help to protect the lungs from damage caused by free radicals. Pumpkin seeds are also a great source of zinc, which is known to boost the immune system and help to protect the lungs from infection. 10. Pineapple, a tropical delight. Pineapple is more than just a delicious tropical fruit. It is also packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can boost your immune system and promote lung health. Pineapple contains a powerful enzyme called bromelain, which is known to reduce inflammation and swelling in the lungs. Pineapple is also a great source of vitamin C. This vitamin is known to boost the immune system and help to protect the lungs from damage. Pineapple is also a great source of antioxidants, which can help to protect the lungs from damage caused by free radicals. So, there you have it, folks. 10 amazing foods that can help cleanse and detox mucus from your lungs. Remember, while these foods can help improve your respiratory health, they are not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional for any health concerns. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better respiratory health. We hope you found this information helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, breathe easy, my friends.